Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name within the Hayday game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Hayday game on your device, and once it is opened up, you might be asked to go through the basic tutorial level if you're playing the game for the first time. But if you have already completed the basic tutorial level, you will gain access to the main game, from which you can tap on the menu icon at the top right corner to find the settings page. Tap on settings and this will open the settings menu. Now within the settings menu, you will be able to find the change farm name option. Just tap on this and the farm name within the game is your username. So you can simply change the name of the farm owner by typing your desired username. Then simply tap on the tick mark at the right side and this will immediately change your farm name into the one that you just selected. If you wish to change this once again, you can come back to the settings menu at any time and then tap on your farm name to change it immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username or your farm name within the Hayday game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.